The atomic bomb and nuclear bomb are powerful weapons that use reactions as their source of explosive energy. Scientists first developed nuclear weapon technology during World War II. Atomic bombs have been used only twice in world, both times by the United States against Japan at the end of World War II in Hiroshima and Nagasaki.
Discovered by nuclear physics in a laboratory in Berlin, Germany, in 1938, made the first atomic bomb possible after Otto Hahn, Lise Meitner, and Fritz Strassmann discovered nuclear fission.
When an atom of radioactive material splits into lighter atoms, there's a sudden powerful release of energy. The discovery of nuclear fission opened up the possibility of nuclear technologies, including weapons.
Atomic bombs are weapons that get their energy from fission reactions. Thermonuclear weapons, or hydrogen bombs, rely on a combination of nuclear fission and nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion is another type of reaction in which two lighter atoms combine to release energy.
The Manhattan Project was the codename of American-led efforts to develop a functional atomic bomb during World War II. The Manhattan Project was started in response to fears that German scientists had been working on a weapon using nuclear technology since the 1930s.
On December 28, 1942, President Roosevelt authorized the formation of the Manhattan Project to bring together various scientists and military officials working on nuclear research.
Much of the work in the Manhattan Project was performed in Los Alamos, New Mexico, under the direction of the theoretical physicist J. Robert Oppenheimer, father of the atomic bomb. On July 16, 1945, in a remote desert location near Alamogordo, New Mexico, the first atomic bomb was successfully detonated, the Trinity test. It created an enormous mushroom cloud some 40,000 feet high and ushered in the atomic age.
By 1945, scientists at Los Alamos had developed two distinct types of atomic bombs, a uranium-based design called the Little Boy and plutonium-based weapon called the Fat Man.
While the war in Europe had ended in April, fighting in the Pacific continued between Japanese forces and U.S. troops. In late July, President Harry Truman called for Japan's surrender with the Potsdam Declaration. The declaration promised prompt and utter destruction if Japan did not surrender.
On August 6, 1945, the United States dropped its first atomic bomb from a B-29 bomber plane called the Enola Gay over the city of Hiroshima, Japan. The Little Boy exploded with about 13 kilotons of force, leveling 5 square miles of the city and killing 80,000 people instantly. Tens of thousands more would later die from radiation exposure.
When the Japanese did not immediately surrender, the United States dropped a second atomic bomb 3 days later on the city of Nagasaki. The Fat Man killed an estimated 40,000 people on impact.
Nagasaki had not been the primary target for the second bomb. American bombers initially had targeted the city of Fukuda, where Japan had one of its largest munition plants, but smoke from firebombing raids obscured the sky over Fukuda. American planes then turned towards their secondary target, Nagasaki.
Citing the devastating power of a new and most cruel bomb, Japanese Emperor Hirohito announced his country's surrender on August 15th, a day that became known as WWII Day, ending of World War II.